Most people fail their diet before 10 a.m. because they eat the wrong breakfast. Today I am showing you a 5-minute high-protein breakfast that keeps you full, kills cravings, and actually helps you lose weight. If you are trying to lose weight, especially belly fat, your morning meal decides your whole day. And yes, protein is the #1 nutrient most people in the USA don't eat enough of. So let's fix that with a super quick, delicious breakfast you can make before work, school, or busy mornings. Why most diets fail in the morning? Let me tell you something real. Most people wake up hungry but reach for the easiest option. A sugary cereal, a plain toast, a teeny snack, or worse, they keep breakfast totally. And what happens next? Low energy, craving by 10:30, overeating at lunch, and the guilt. This is not your fault, this is blood sugar science. Your body crashes when breakfast has low protein. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar, boosts metabolism, and keeps you full 3x longer than carb alone. If your breakfast has 20 to 30 grams, your diet becomes 10x easier. No cravings, no energy crash, no overeating. So here's come the recipe part. High protein Greek yogurt power bowl. Here's my go-to 5-minute weight loss breakfast. It's high protein, high fiber, and honestly tastes like dessert. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey or 0-cal sweetener, mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, handful of nuts or granola. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, around 70 grams in 1 cup. Chia seeds add fiber, which keeps you full, and berries, low calorie, high antioxidant. Listen, you don't need to be perfect. If you are busy, tired, or stressed, just choose a breakfast that makes your day easier, not harder. Start small, just replace one sugary breakfast with a high protein one. You'll feel the difference in 2 to 3 days. The way: when your morning starts strong, your whole day improves. You eat better, your cravings drop, you feel in cortisol. This is why weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. If you want more simple, realistic weight loss meal like this, tell me in the comment what you struggle with in the morning. Hunger, cravings, low energy. I am making video based on your struggles. Try this breakfast tomorrow morning. Your future self will thank you.